Hi, all. Unboxing time. See what the hell came in the mail today. I'm just going to start. I got a classic horror oracle, 50 cards and guidebook. Discover truth, inspiration, the deck. I figured, why not get it? Let's see. Some more pins. What I really want to do is open this box that came. I've been waiting for this for a while. I ordered 2 of them. And I'm like, I don't see how they're going to hold what I want. I got another clicker for hit points. So I figured I needed another one when you get right to opening these. Oh, he sent them in 2 different things. Couldn't combine them. Well, okay. Got a packing board. Well, Flair 8x10 Iron Man. I was hoping I would have got those video games I ordered. The guy mailed them on Monday. He only lives in Temu, which is like an hour down the road. Still haven't got them. There's the... Got it? Yep. And this one, the Flair Spider-Man. So I only need 1 of these now to have the complete 10 card set. Picked up Make It a Blockbuster Night pin. Put the pins there. A button for Doctor Who, and it's got the 4th Doctor Baker on it. My 2 favorite doctors were Pertwee and Baker. I had the red and blue. I got the black and gold Spider-Man pin. And this pin is, come on. Yeah, okay. That's what you used to have to do with these old Nintendo cartridges sometimes. So I got a kick out of that. Bag inside of a bag inside of a bag. This is Seamus Metroid pin. I got a TIE Fighter pin. fall out. Breaking news. I don't care. And I got another Disney set of pins here. Another Hello Kitty set of pins. I got Spider-Man and a web heart. Hello Kitty little angel. My daughter was into Hello Kitty at one point. I was like, yeah, these will be good. Maybe she'll have... Everything goes in cycles, you know, it's like sort of weird. Mickey Mouse was big, then he wasn't, and he's big again. Care Bears, they came around. But I got Goofy, Pluto, the Sorcerer's Hat, a different Pluto one. Then I got Huey, Dewey, and Louie. So, but now let me get going on this. This is the thing, because I want to see if this can actually be hopefully mounted on the ceiling. I probably have to put it together just like the, yeah. Just save these bags. These bags are nice. Let's get to this. Yeah, you put together just like the this doesn't look like it holds 60. So this is how it's got to go like that. Then this one like this. Wow. Okay. There should be two that's got slots. And these are them. Pop in. That popped in that way. This okay, cat. See if these really work good with Atari games. Okay, all I gotta do now is screw it together, but I want to see how well this works. No, let me go grab a couple cartridges. Oh yeah, this works pretty damn good. Yeah, both versions of Yars Revenge, the Sears and then the normal. Yep. So anybody out there that collects Atari, this is pretty damn good. At least for, could be for 7800 ColecoVision. I'm gonna go grab a cartridge from the 5200 slot and see how they go. And here's a 5200 cartridge, just to see if this works in one of these. And it does not. They're not long enough for 5200 cartridges, which is fine. I just wanted this for the 7800, the 26, and ColecoVision games. So I can start putting the alphabetical order, and I think I can mount these up on the ceiling once I get certain screws in. I can mount them up, because they do have wall mounts, but I'm not going to put these on a wall mount. But this will hold 60 games. Have another one that's coming, but I'm going to buy 4 more at least, maybe 6 more, and see about putting them back to back, and then having back and front, having the 2600 on one side, one compartment having the 7800 games that I don't have complete in the box, the ColecoVision. But this is nice. This is what I wanted Stanley to make me to begin with. I can just slide them all over to the one side. I mean, they fit perfect. Great depth. There's just enough to grab and pull out. I could probably buy wider ones, a wider one if I want, if I need for 5200s. But that'll work great for your 2600, 78, and ColecoVision games. And that does it for this edition. And as always, I thank you all for viewing and subscribing.